Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of science of class 3rd. How are you all? Hope you all are fine there. I am Achal Mittal and I am going to teach you science. Students, as you all know, in my previous video I have completed your lesson number 3. And in this video I am going to give you assessment sheet first and lesson number 4. So not further delay, take out your book. Dear students, here's your book and here is your assessment sheet first. Now, first of all, I will give you tick the correct option. Your first question is a bird lays egg in a nest. So the correct answer is nest. B. Plants reproduce from seeds. C. Cells of the same kind forms tissues. D. Stomata are present on leaves. A. Claws are present on the legs. So these are the answer of tick the correct. Now match the following. All have to write the alphabet on the right side of the column. You can see as I have written here. In this way you all have to write the alphabet. First, head to beak. Here you can see beak. Broad flat beak, duck. Trunk, wings. Long thin beak, sunbird. Hooked beak, parrot. So in this way you all have to write the alphabet here. Now come on, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A dash bird make its nest with leaves. Answer is tailor. B. Insects breathe through air holes called spiracles. C question. The process by which living things produce their own kind is called reproduction. Here you can see reproduction. The breathing in of air is called inhalation. And the last E question, the dash connect the nose to the lungs, windpipe. So in this way you all have to write the answer. You can take a screenshot after pausing the video. Now come on, question answers. Here is your first question. Your first question is, what are the causes of air pollution? So the answer is soot from vehicles, smoke from factory chimneys, etc. are the causes of air pollution. B question, what is the function of the brain? The brain helps us to think, learn and remember. So this is the function of brain. You can take a screenshot to write the answers. Now next answer. Answer number C. How are plants different from animals? So difference between plants and animals. Your first is plants can make their own food, animals cannot make their own food. Second, plants do not move from one place to another. Animals move from one place to another. Okay. Now, next. E question was D question. Write two features of a bird's body that help in to fly. Birds have wings, hollow and light bones, streamlined body which help them to fly. Now next, why do birds build nest? Birds build nest to lay eggs and give shelter to the young ones. So all of you, till AE questions I have completed. Your assessment sheet first is over. You can take a screenshot of the question answers to write all the answers. Now come on, lesson number 4. Here's your lesson number 4. Your lesson number 4 name is common insect. So first of all, let's warm up exercise. You can see here is the picture of cockroach. Here in this way you all have to write the answers which I have written in this way. Okay. Now first of all, here insects are tiny creatures seen crawling and flying around. All insects have common things in common. So insects are tiny creatures seen crawling and flying around. As I told you, इंसेक्ट्स बहुत छोटी स्ट्रक्चर्स होती हैं, क्रिएचर्स होती हैं जो क्रॉल करती हैं और उड़ती हैं. ऑल इंसेक्ट्स हैव सम थिंग्स इन कॉमन. नंबर फर्स्ट, द बॉडीज ऑफ ऑल इंसेक्ट्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, हेड, thorax and abdomen. Here you can see in this diagram, here head, thorax and abdomen is in this diagram. Now next, here Students, if you have not taken a screenshot of this first warm up exercise, you can take a shot. Okay, now you are able to see it. Now here, insects usually have large eye on their heads. They have feelers on their heads that help them to find out more about their surroundings. Here, this type is feelers. Okay, so in this way they are able to search anything more about the surroundings. Now come on next. All insects have 6 legs. Some insects have 2 pair of wings. The legs and the wings are fixed to the thorax. Thorax here you can see. Here in this diagram thorax is here. So there are 6 legs. You can see in this picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are joined, and here you can some insects have 2 pair of wings. Here wings is 1 pair, but some insects have 2 pair. And the wings are attached to the fixed thorax. You can see thorax से attach हो रहे हैं इसके legs भी और wings भी. Okay. Now next this point. Insects have tiny holes called spiracles on their abdomen. They breathe through them. So in abdomen, spiracles are there by which they can breathe. Okay. I hope you all get about the insects. You can take a screenshot of this page if you want to write anything. Now come on next page. Here, the top of the paper you can see butterfly and cockroach, insects with wings, and Hadley's, insects without wings. So what you get, some insects have wings and some do not have. Okay. Now come on next, social insects. Some insects like ants and bees live in colonies. They are social and have division of labor. Like ant and bees, first of all we will read about ants. Here, ants live in a nest that has a network of tunnels in this way. जब ये खोद के एक पाइप जैसी स्ट्रक्चर बना देते हैं उन्हें टनल्स कहते हैं. जो सॉइल में पाइप जैसी स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं खोद के, गुफा जैसी छोटी सी, उसे टनल्स कहते हैं. ईच नेस्ट ऑफ कॉलोनी हैज़ ए क्वीन आंट हुज जॉब इज़ टू ले एग्स. सो ईच नेस्ट, हर एक और कॉलोनी, आंट के ग्रुप को नेस्ट भी कह सकते हैं, कॉलोनी भी कह सकते हैं. तो उसमें एक क्या होती है, उसमें एक होती है क्वीन आंट. हेयर यू कैन सी क्वीन आंट. व्हाट इज़ द जॉब ऑफ द क्वीन आंट? हुज जॉब इज़ टू ले एग्स. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वर्कर आंट. वर्कर आंट का क्या काम होता है? द वर्कर आंट कलेक्ट एंड स्टोर फूड एंड फीड द लार्वी दैट हैच आउट द ऑफ एग्स. ओके. तो जो क्वीन होती है वो लार्वी ही देती है, एग्स देती है, वो लार्वी होते हैं. उसके बाद जो वर्कर आंट होती है वो उनको फूड देती है, उन एग्स को फूड देती है. ओके. देन सोल्जर्स आंट्स प्रोटेक्ट द कॉलोनी एंड द क्वीन. जैसे सोल्जर्स हमारी इंडिया में सोल्जर्स होते हैं हमें प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, वैसी आंट जो होती है उनकी कॉलोनी में भी सोल्जर्स आंट होती हैं जो क्वीन को प्रोटेक्ट करती है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट आंट. So again I am asking you, so there are 3 type of ant in the ant colony: queen ant, worker ant and soldier ant. Queen ant job is to lay egg, worker ant to feed the larvae or egg, and the soldier ant to protect the colony and the queen. Now come on bees. First of all, here you see this paragraph. Bees live in a group. आपने देखी होंगी मधुमक्खी. They also live in group. Their nest is called a hive. जो उनका नेस्ट होता है जिसको आप छत्ता बोलते हो, that is called in English hive. That is made up of wax. मोम का बना होता है. Hives have many small cells that has shape like a hexagon. If you will see with the near a hive, that then you will be able to see some like in this way. Okay, in this way if you will see these cells are called hexagon. So in this way they are made up of hexagon cells. What is made up of hexagon cells? Hive. Now next, there is a single queen bee that just lay eggs. The eggs are sealed inside the cells till they hatch into the larvae. So here is also वन क्वीन बी जो क्या करती है, एग देती है, एंड वो एक सेल में इनसाइड में कवर होती है जो भी बनता है, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट द वर्कर बी, हेयर इज ऑल्सो वन बी, दैट इज वर्कर बी, collect nectar for flowers in the hive. They change the nectar into honey. The worker bee looks after the larvae. So worker bee collect the nectar from the flower. Nectar means the juice of flowers. Flowers का juice वो collect करते हैं. In the hive they change this nectar into honey. उसके बाद ये छत्ते में क्या करते हैं, जो hive होता है, बी का घर होता है, उसको जो फ्लावर का वो होता है जूस, उसको हनी में चेंज करते हैं. तो इट मीन्स जो हनी होता है वो फ्लावर के जूस से बनता है, फ्लावर के रस से बनता है. एंड द वर्कर बी लुक्स आफ्टर द लार्वी. सो हेयर इज़ वन मोर बी, दैट इज़ वर्कर बी. So sorry, worker bee we are asking about, reading about. So worker bee also what do, looks after the larvae. लार्वी की देख रेख करते हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस इज अबाउट द बीज. सो इट इज़ सफिशिएंट फॉर टुडे स्टूडेंट्स. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल स्टार्ट लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ ए बटरफ्लाई. टिल bees you all have to read. Okay, homework is you all have to learn assessment sheet 1 and you all have to read this social insects again. Thank you students. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.